Customers should only see the products that are actually available in their selected store. With product filtering and visibility by location, your store can automatically show or hide products based on the customer's selected locations. In this video, I'll show you how product filtering and visibility by location works. This feature helps control which products customer can see based on their selected location. First, go to WordPress dashboard, then hover over Location Manage. After that, open Settings and click on Product Visibility. Here you will find Product Visibility Rules, where you can control how products will appear based on their store locations. The first option is Show Global Products. When this option is enabled, products that are not assigned to any specific location will still appear in the store. Next option is Product Priority Display. This settings decides which products appear first in your store. You can show location product first or global product first or no priority, where both types appear together. Here you can choose what happens when a customer visits the product page. This is not available in their selected location. You can either show a 404 page or show the product with an unavailable message. Our next option is Out of Stock Product Display. This controls how products appear when they are out of stock at a selected location. You can hide them completely, show out of stock badge, or display them in a grayed out style. You can also decide how stock information appears for location products. For example, you can show exact stock count or show only available in stock or out stock, or you can show stock levels or hide stock information. Then we have Admin Visibility Controls, which allows store admins to see all products in the dashboard even if some products are restricted by location. So for that, you need to enable this option. Then in Location Filtering Settings, we have Strict Location Filtering option, which controls how strictly products are filtered. When enabled, customers will see products available in their selected location, or when disabled, then all products can still appear in the store. Now let's visit the shop page to see how it works. When you change the store location, the products displayed in the shop will also change based on the location availability. This is how product filtering and visibility by location helps you keep your store organized and ensures customers only see products that are available in their selected store. Show the right products for the right location.